What's up, plant lovers? I want to do a quick series of a few short videos highlighting some of the plants I'm really looking forward to growing in my garden this summer. Let's get into it. Now, these lilac may not be the newest kids on the block, but they have proven to be some of the best ones that I've ever seen. This is the Bloomerang Lilac from Proven Winners. Now, the reason I love these, I have them growing in my Zone 6B garden here in eastern Pennsylvania, and they've been growing for about 2 years. I get flowers in the spring, but last fall, just as all of my black-eyed Susans were really starting to perk up, my Bloomerang Lilac decided to bloom again. That's why they call it Bloomerang, because it blooms in the spring, takes a little break, comes back and blooms again. Now, like all lilac, they are very winter hardy. In fact, the colder your climate is, typically the better these will tend to grow. Once established, exceptionally drought tolerant, very long-lived. They make a wonderful hedge if you want to plant just a bunch of them along a nice line. And these ones have a very uniform growth habit, which makes them quite special. Many lilac can grow a little bit wrangly, a little bit all over the place, but these are gorgeous in their shape and size, and oh my goodness, heavenly when they are in bloom. So if you are looking to add some of these beautiful plants to your gardens this summer, check out my family's website, robertasgardens.net, where you can find all of these plants and many more innovative, brand new cultivars that are just reaching gardeners from around the globe. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me here on Plant Vibrations, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for all of our weekly, sometimes daily updates, bringing more plants into our lives. Catch you guys soon. Ciao.